Okay, now we've got our bouncing ball animation, we need to create the sound effects that happen every time it bumps off these four walls. Now to do that, we need to make the sound happen at exactly the point the ball hits the wall, which is at the 10th frame, the 20th frame, the 30th frame, and the 40th frame. So I've already made the sound layer for you, so if you select on the sound layer the 10th frame, now we need to insert a keyframe, which is like a full stop or anchor point for the sound effect. So if you click on Insert Timeline Keyframe, and then when you've done that, we need to drag the bounce one sound effect from the library into your animation, and you should see that sound effect down here. Now if you can't see it, just go up to Window and check Library is ticked, but I'm assuming it is there, which means you can drag this just onto the stage. You won't see anything happen, but if you want to see if it's had the effect, if you click rewind and then control play, you can see that it did actually make a noise at that point. So now we want to do the one here. So if you select 20, make sure you're on the sound layer, frame 20, and don't forget to insert timeline keyframe, and then you can drag the bounce one sound effect just onto the stage. You won't see anything, but what it should do is add sound there. And again, you can rewind and play to see if that's worked. So I'm going to do the same on frame 30, dragging, first I've got to insert timeline keyframe and then drag it on here, and then finally do the same thing for 40. So insert timeline keyframe and put the bounce one sound effect on there. Another way of checking if your animation is working properly is to go to Control and Test Movie, and you can see how it looks when it's looping, which a lot of animations loop continuously, and that's why you wanted the ball to start and finish in the same place. Now to turn off this quite noisy and annoying animation, you just scroll across to the right and click this cross here. You've now completed your animation. Well done.